Welcome to Compass Control Professional C1 Plus online certification. This is part 3, where we're going to take the next step now in our modular version 2.0 programming learning curve, and we're going to do a larger system than before with multiple displays and multiple zones. This will be following along with the bar restaurant demo in the Compass app. So you can follow along by downloading the Compass app onto your iOS device, and we'll walk through and build that system as it is in your iPad or iPhone. The project consists of 5 scenario buttons, and these are going to be a little different than the part 2 video where we programmed the conference room, because these scenarios more or less just allow the user to enter different zones. So entering the bar to control the audio video, entering the dining room to control the audio video. We're also going to deviate slightly from the demo in the iPad or iPhone, and we're going to add one custom scenario that will be for power controls. Within each scenario, we will have our contents that will provide the needed controls. For example, if we were to enter the bar, we are able to break the displays into 2 groupings, north and south, just to keep things concise for your user. Please demo the iPad or walk through the demo project within the iPad to see for yourself what we mean there. We are also going to deviate a little bit from the demo app just by abbreviating the amount of displays in the north and in the south areas of the bar and some of the other zones of the system. Instead of going 8 per area, we'll break it down to 4. You'll see more on that in a moment on our system design. This project will use 3 of the 4 content types. We're going to use the multi-zone device now, where we'll see we'll have the ability to control within the module space. We'll see multiple outputs of our video matrix, multiple inputs of our video matrix, as opposed to the AV endpoint that we used in the presentation conference room demo in the previous video. We'll use, of course, single device for controlling the cable boxes and whatnot, and we'll have custom. Now, this again is going to be one more deviation from the demo, where we'll have a custom content button for power of a area of the bar restaurant. So again, it's on you, the AV integrator, to ensure that you're well organized ahead of time, because your programmer relies on you for the information. This system is an 8x19 video system using our Enterprise AV over IP KDIP 1080TX, 1 per source, and KDIP 1080RX, 1 per display. So 10 transmitters, 19 receivers. We use a network switch as the center point of that system, but the principles would apply even if we were to use a traditional video matrix. We'll be controlling 8 DirecTV boxes via IP, which allows us to reduce the amount of control ports needed from our master controller. We'll have music streaming from a Denon HEOS player. We'll have our master controllers, once again, 3 of them, because they are 7-port controllers, and we have we have 19 displays that we need to control via IR in this case. We'll have our audio matrix, so you can send an audio source from one of the video sources or the music streamer into a zone. It's a matrix, not a DSP, but that's the part we'll use, the KD-MAX 8x8 here. And controlling the video over IP system is as easy as just using an IP address from a master controller. Of course, there's additional setup steps for Enterprise AV over IP. We do have videos and documentation available online, so reach out to our technical support team. We're happy to get those resources in your hand. And we have lighting from, once again, very important partner of ours, Lutron, where we first will extract an XML report from the Lutron repeater so that it can be imported into the Compass system. So let's go ahead and program this bar restaurant system.